Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor, Sunday, August the 10th. I don't normally go live Saturday and Sunday, but I've been very, very busy with my crypto trading and crypto investments. Now, just remember, I'm not a crypto investor. I'm a value investor. I buy the S&P for integrity of the show, understanding what we're doing. I'm not here to pump and dump anything. However, 3 weeks ago, nearly 4 weeks ago now, I had no crypto at all. I now have over, I think it's $60,000. There's 27,862 showing here. And then if I go into my Roth IRA as well, I'll click on that and I'll show you that I've been buying IBIT, which is the Bitcoin trust. And in there is another 5,900, and on the main account it's itself. Come back to the main account, scroll down, as well as my crypto I just shown you. I've also bought some more IBIT in here, $15,000, and I've also bought the Ethereum iShares ETF of $7,500. So I think it's somewhere in the region of about $60,000 in just the last few weeks. Most of that just in the last 3 or 4 days. So why am I buying all this and why am I coming live this afternoon? Well, we've got lots of information to share with you. I've got Sensei going live in 2 hours time for a live Q&A chart show looking at the expected breakout, a further breakout. We've already had it of Ethereum, but we're expecting it to continue and we're expecting XRP to rally as well. Those of you that sold it, I've no idea why. You waited to get SEC clearance. You did. It pumped a little bit and then you all took your profit. I've no idea why. For me, it's now more valuable than ever. That's why it's taken me so long to get into crypto. But the moment it popped up, everyone dumped it back down again. So I've been buying it. Now I can see a much greater path for XRP to go to $10. And I can see Ethereum going a 3x because of the work it's doing on the New York Stock Exchange, running the system, and the branch just down the road from me in Dallas, the exchange that's being built. So I've got good authority that Ethereum is what the stock exchanges are all going to be based upon. It's already happening. Robinhood gave you a very subtle clue. I shared it on X. Look at this. This is on Robinhood right now. If you scroll down here, you can see Robinhood. How high will Ethereum get this year? Now that's a little bit of a, if you understand Robinhood, that's a little bit of a signal. Robinhood are heavily, along with Bank of America, along with Tom Lee, buying Ethereum. And they're running a prediction market saying how high will Ethereum get this year. If that doesn't tell you a little bit of sort of an inside tip there, I don't know what is. But yeah, they're running a sweepstake on it. I don't do any of these things. These do not interest me at all. I don't think they belong on a brokerage app. Personally, I'm not a gambler. I only ever buy when I see things that undervalue. I'm not going to guess the prediction and waste my time guessing. I'm simply going to buy the asset. And I've got a very in-depth live stream video coming up soon. I haven't had the chance to do it yet because of so much buying of XRP and Bitcoin and Ethereum over the weekend. But I'm going to explain and break down the true cost of owning the coin or the ETF. That's coming up soon. So you want to catch that live when I go live. And if you want to make sure that you do get the live event, make sure when you click subscribe that you actually tap the bell and set it to all. Now, if you think you're getting too many notifications on YouTube, you only get 3 maximum from me a day. That's it. You can personalize different channels. So other channels you're not that bothered about, you can either turn them off or personalize them. But you most certainly want the bell turned on for me because I'm going to bring you that news and you don't want to miss it, how we are going to price and predict the future of whether you should have a coin or an ETF. And you'll be surprised by my answer, actually. I've been going backwards and forwards, weighing this up over the last week, and my conclusions are in, and I'll share that with you on this special event. So look out for that. Make sure you subscribe and ring the bell, and then you've done all that stuff. And if you tap the like as well, that's another way for YouTube to send you the information, thinking that this is what you want. So please do subscribe and ring the bell. So stand by for that event. So I'm going to get back to trading and building my position. As you can see, it's going up. I expect on the bell, on the 7 o'clock bell, which is in 6 hours from now, I'm going to be up probably in the region of nearly 1%, because we've had all this growth of Bitcoin and Ethereum over the weekend, and my ETF hasn't taken part in that yet, so it will jump up. Another update on that as well. And don't forget the futures opens an hour earlier. Sensei will be covering all that live in a minute. I'll give you the link. But also, I want to share this with you, something else. This will all be part of my coins or ETF news when I bring it out to you. I have now staked, you can see I've staked my Ethereum. I can't stake the ETF yet. That's coming. But my Ethereum, I've already staked it, and I'm earning 2.62%. It's a nice thing to do because, one, I'm making free money, and I've got no intention of selling my Ethereum. Remember, I can get in and out of it anyway if I want to access it, but I have no interest in doing that. I want to see it 3x, and even then, keep it on there. I'm going to earn 2.62%. Well, if you think about it, margin cost me 4% because I've renegotiated using outside sources. 4%. If I can make nearly 3% just by owning it, it's costing me 1%, 1.3 or something cost of business. I like to call it cost of business to own it. So for me, I can buy as much Ethereum as I want. You think about it. If you believe it's going up, I've got literally unlimited funds, because the more I buy, the more margin I get, and this is why I've been doing this. So you think about that, and not only are you earning free money, if you like, you're also tying up the network. You're holding Ethereum from being sold. So if everyone did that, of course, it would go up. So if you want all these links, first of all, I'm going to give you Robinhood USA and Robinhood UK. The links are in the chat right now. Everybody else, you see it later. It's pinned underneath the in the description. Get Robinhood. You get free shares right now, and you also get free shares in Robinhood UK if you are watching in the UK. I have accounts in both countries, so you might like to do that. Also, if you want our giveaway, we're getting close now to our $1,000 of XRP we're giving away. Here is the link for that. Only 2 people now have done all the tickets, so the chances of winning now are getting much easier. A lot of people are just not bothered. $1,000 isn't worth it to anybody, but there you go. Only 400 people or so have taken part, and only a couple have done all the tickets. So there is your chance to get that. All right. So now what I'm going to give you is the two shows that you've got coming up. First of all, one that most of you missed, and I gave you a breaking news because it really is breaking news. This event, Vaz went live, did a live premiere just a couple of hours ago, and I went live just before it telling you about this. Tomorrow night, Archer Aviation goes live, and we're expecting a bit of a surprise in the defense sector. You know what Palantir are doing? Well, Archer Aviation could have that moment. So I want to bring this to you. So here's the link for this video. This prepares you for what you're going to see live tomorrow night with Archer Aviation. Strongly recommend you go and see that. There's the link. Now, if you can't find it, if the link doesn't work for you, of course it will, but if you go on the homepage of the channel and you go to videos, you can see what's just gone out. So there it is, right at the top, latest, that's just gone out. And right next to it, no coincidence, by the way, is Palantir. We're talking defense, and this video will tell you everything you need to know about our major live event, which if you scroll down on the homepage, you will see is right there tomorrow night after the closing bell, Archer Aviation. But you can see what comes next. Yep, it's Sensei doing his predictions for the breakout. We're expecting a potential breakout this afternoon. This event is this one, and I will give you the link for this now. He goes live in 1 hour and 45 minutes. You don't want to miss it. There is the link in the chat. It's also pinned to the top, and it will take you there automatically. So there you go. We are expecting, as you can see, my crypto is going nuts at the moment, and that's just the crypto, not the ETFs. The ETFs double this up to $60,000. So you might want to join Sensei in a minute for his predictions, the charts, because he'll be going into the futures open. If there's anything dramatic, I might come back with the actual open, because I am so excited to see my portfolio open up maybe $1,000 or maybe more with my ETFs that are literally going up. They've been sleeping while my XRP and my Ethereum and Bitcoin have been moving in the background. So you can see my full balance now, starting with $5,000, is 267, 268. I mean, it's going up pretty crazy. I'm trading now all the time. When I'm off air, I share it with you on my X. So you can see my full amount of money invested now with my retirement is about 360 grand. No options, no shorts, 100% investing. Very, very exciting indeed. So if you want those links, they're all in the chat for you. If you want to see when I'm trading, and if you're missing things, they are all posted live. The moment I'm trading, the moment I'm buying, who I'm talking to, and I've got another one. I'll tell you now, just a second. There's my X. There's my X account in the chat, and there is the extra channel where we are live 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I post all my trades in there as I do it. Now, tomorrow morning, after the opening bell, we have another world exclusive, members only. We are talking to Jefferson Boots, CEO of a gold mine. A CEO of a gold mine, our Meet the CEO series. And he's live on the show telling you about the progress and where we're at, what comes next. And I was talking to him on the phone just about an hour ago, setting this up. You don't want to miss this. For a couple of bucks, you can be a member and you can watch our members only Meet the CEO, a gold mine that is about to go live on the New York Stock Exchange pre-IPO. It's a private company at the moment. That's the big word in the stock market right now. Companies that are private, like OpenAI and SpaceX. It's a private company right now, and they've informed me they've got funding in place now, and they're about to go onto the New York Stock Exchange. He'll be live on the show. Members can ask any question they want. They can call in a live event. That is tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. Central Time, right after the opening bell. Meet the CEO. We've had loads of CEOs on the show. Eventually, we'll have Brad Garlinghouse, Elon Musk. They're all going to be on the show. So you don't want to miss these events. If you want to be a member, it's $2, $2.99. You can always cancel, but I can assure you 99% of our audience don't cancel, as we have nearly 2,000 members. 98% of our live viewers are members. It never goes up in price. In fact, it gets cheaper because there's no inflation on it either. I never increase it. And tomorrow morning, you will get the chance to talk directly with the CEO of a gold mine before they go public. If that's not an exciting opportunity, I don't know what is. If you are on an iOS device, iPad or iPhone, you might like to select you need to select a browser and a desktop version to make this work. All right, so there you go. There's my XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin update. Sensei is now 1 hour, 40 minutes away. You've got all the links. Get yourself as a member. Get ready. Live charts. I've just seen a member just come in. Let me just welcome Tanj Jiffy just became a member, because in the show there will be charts. You can do members can get charts of their own specific questions done live in the show, and all the rest of it. So there you go. Join Sensei. I've given you the links for Robinhood if you want free shares, links for Robinhood UK if you want free shares. I've given you the information how to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss the Meet the CEO in the morning. You've got that big news with Vaz for Archer Aviation, those defense Palantir links. You don't want to miss that. You got that. Go and check that. All those links are in there as well. And you've also got Sensei show. So you're all set. That's it from me. I'm going to go get back to busy trading and making money, and I'll be back with you later on, maybe this evening after Sensei show, but certainly after the breakfast show in the morning, taking you into that Meet the CEO series and taking you into the earnings from Vaz. That's it from me. If you stay where you are, it'll take you right through to the event, which is an hour and 40 minutes from now, or click on the link. Don't forget to take part in the giveaway, that opportunity from the XRP concert on Friday. Oh, by the way, could I say thank you to everybody? We had 3,000 people watch it now. Incredible. That's my biggest ever live concert. I feel like a flipping rock star. I mean, that's like a sort of giant theatre. London Palladium is about 2,500. So 3,000 people watched our XRP concert, and many of you claimed the free tickets to win $1,000, which was nice. And XRP is now known to more people. You shared it. A lot of you shared it on social media. I reposted it. So thank you for doing that. There you go. All right, so that's it from me. I will see you back in a bit. Oh, someone has just come in and hang on. Is someone trying to move on? Is someone trying to be rude to me? If you are, I'll watch out for that. If we've got someone in the channel that wants to be rude, we'll just hide you from the channel. I don't know if he's talking to me. Just trying to make sure. He's called Official Rhino. I just want to make sure, because we don't tolerate bullying in the chat. We don't tolerate scammers, trolls, negativity. We're always winning. We're always positive. And I just want to make sure. Oh, he's deleted that post. Okay, good. Okay. I was just about to remove you from the channel. Yeah, we don't have any negativity. We can have opinions, but we don't have any bullying, swearing, cussing. We're here to make money. We're here to interview CEOs. We're here to bring you information. We haven't got time messing around. My portfolio is heading to $1 million. We do not mess around. I was talking to, oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Official Rhino. You were talking to Mr. Took. Great. Thank you. I just wanted to make sure that we got that right, as we don't have any of that in the chat. And thank you for explaining. All right, that's it from me. If you are watching this later, I'll put the link up here. All the links I've been talking about, also down in the description. Friday night was freaking awesome. Rebecca, thank you so much indeed. Another new member. That's awesome. Down below in the description and the comments as well. Over here, I shall post Sensei's show, and down here, I shall post the video that Vaz just did, which you cannot afford to miss. That's it from me. Have a wonderful afternoon. I'll see you back in an hour and a half live with Sensei's show. I'll be in the chat listening, because I listen to Vaz, Sensei, Vaz as well, but Sensei for my trading of my XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. I'm looking forward to seeing what he has to say. That's it from me. Thank you ever so much. Stay where you are. It'll take you there automatically straight to this. If not, I'll see you back there live. All right, don't miss it. It's going to be a great day. Take care of yourselves and each other.